Hello, welcome all to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn uh, about web scraping, and by the end of this video, you will be able to display the trending stocks of BSC using Python web scraping. This Python web scraping is nothing but it is used for extracting data from the websites. And in this video, I am going to take this money control website as example. If you want, I can put this link in the description box. And also there are two main things we are using in this tutorial, that is one is beautiful soup and another is request. First of all, I'll open this blank Python page. Okay, first one is beautiful soup. Beautiful soup is it's like a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files. First we'll import this beautiful soup. Okay, before that we have to install the beautiful soup. It is already installed in my system. You have to install it. And other thing is we have to also install the request. Request is nothing but like it is used to fetch the data of content from a particular resource URI. Okay, first we'll import the request. Okay, now let's move to the our website. Here first right click on this and insert the page. Here we can see that this is the table head and this is the whole table body, and each defines the table row. Here we can see there are a number of table rows, and first of all we will expand one. And here we can see first, here we want this company name Infosys. Let's find where this name. Here we can see that Infosys is present. Here you can see that it is present under this span. That is, this span contains the class GLD13 and DISNN. Okay, first of all what we will do is we'll call this beautiful soup. So beautiful soup. It takes two arguments. One is data and there is LXML. Here we have not defined the data. Data equals to here this URL should be pasted here. Now we should convert this into text format, so we should use this extension text. Okay, now we'll see what the output will be. Here we can see that all the HTML code is printing, but we don't want all this. So what we will do is we want only all the company names. Here we are using the find all keyword here to get all the company names, and we can see that all the company names are present in the span column. And we also seen that it has class name something like this, GLD13 DISN. Now let's see what the output is. Okay, now we can see that the code is somewhat little bit understandable, but we didn't get the exact company names, so that just we'll comment it out. Now we'll loop it through all the company names. for row in all companies. Now we can see that in every span there is a link a equals to href something link, and in this link we can see that Infosys company name. So what we will do is, let's take a link is equal to find the a will print. Now we'll print link. Okay, now what we need is the text inside the link, so we'll also add the extension text here. Now we'll see what the output is. Okay, now we are getting all the text, that is company names here. Okay, now let them store in a variable or a list. Here we can see that we can get all the company names which is present here. Okay, similarly we'll going to extract all these company high, company low, last price change, and etc. First we'll concentrate on high and low. Okay, here what we should do is like right click on it and click insert, and here you can see it's also present in the table row, and inside table row we'll close it. Okay, it is present the second table data which has features like uh, align center width 175. These are called nothing but attributes. Now first of all what we'll do is we'll get all this table row data here. Table row equals to sub dot, sorry for that, sub dot find all table row. Okay, now we're going to loop each and every element in this table row. For table row tr table row, we want high equals to table row dot find all. We want all these table data and with attributes aligned center and width 175. Sorry, it's not 175, it's 180. Yeah, it's 175. Find all. You want table data and attributes are width is 175. Align right. Now we'll see what's the output of this. It's print print print. Okay, here you can see that there are some empty list, like, so that what we should do is we want to remove all this empty list now. For that here we can see do like we'll comment it out, and if length of high equals to 0, like we'll continue. Now here for example you can see that if we take one list there are different elements here. one, two, three. Totally there are three elements. Here you can say one is high, one is low, and another one is you can 71 point. Okay, what we want is we want the first one which is high. Here you can see which is high, 60.50. Okay, what we will do is we loop in each high row. We can any variable c equals to, we want what we could do is first we'll append all this into one list. Company high dot append high. We haven't declared the complete high. Now you will see the company high. Okay, here we want only the single, that is first and high, so that we'll put a break here and let's see what the output is. We'll save it and we'll run it. Okay, here we are getting all the table data, but we want only the text, so that what we will use here, we can keep only dot text here. Simple, and we will run it again. Okay, here we will get, we are getting all the company highs here, but what I'm going to say is here this is a integer, that here it is a string here because it is comma. If you remove comma, and we can convert it into a integer, so that it will be useful for our calculation purposes. I just want to show you that type of 0. See here it is a string. To convert it into an integer, that is to convert it into a int or a number, what we should is first we should replace all the commas with a blank space. That is text dot replace comma with empty space. Now we will see all the company has. Here got an error. String has no attribute text. Okay, here the error is you should remove text here, and let's save it and run it. Okay, before appending it, we'll convert it to a int format and then run it, and I also will see the type of this. We will clear the screen and then we'll gonna run it. Here we got an error. Okay, what we'll do is we'll convert it to a float instead of int. Now let's see if the error is solved or not. Okay, that's good. Here you can see the class is float and list of all float elements, that is company high values. Okay, till now we have seen that all the extracted all the company names and company high values, and in the next video or in the further videos we'll see how to display all the company low and company change and company close values as well as here. And in further videos I also try to display all these values and all these company names, values, and etc. using the React and Flask API in a clean website. And also that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.